Time for some big block Chevy muscle in this week's edition of In the Garage. Let's check out the 67 Chevelle. Here's a nice 67 Chevelle we spotted at the Goodguys meet. Has a really nice aggressive stance to it. Little slightly larger tires in the back. It just looks really tough looking. I like the black on black color scheme. This guy is 67 in bad, it says on the license plate. It's a really neat car. These are highly successful cars for Chevrolet. In fact, in 1967 they sold 66,396 cars. This one has the most common engine, which is the 325 horse base model 396 that came as standard equipment in the SS 396 car. It features, it's called a L35, I believe. Neat car. Inside, they've done a few modifications. Steering wheel, looks like some speakers and a kick panel, but very stock, very nice looking car overall. Always a fan of these 66 and 67 A-body GM cars. This one just has a really good look to it. Super comfortable, good cars to drive. Very nice cruisers. This would be a perfect cruising car to take on trips, especially with air conditioning. It's just really set up nicely. I just had to share this cool little Chevelle with you here today in the garage. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.